Hey guys, it's Salvan. Today I'm throwing up a video on how to make easy barbecue ribs in the Instant Pot. We're going to start off by using your dry rub seasoning of choice. Take off the membrane at the back of the ribs, and you're going to spread the spices all over the front and back really good and rub it in. Let it sit for about 15 minutes or so, just to ensure the spices are sticking to the ribs. I set up my Instant Pot with the metal rack and half a cup of water. We're going to set the rack of ribs like this, and I'm adding in about 2 tablespoons of liquid mesquite smoke. Cover it up and close the vent at the top. I'm setting my pressure cooker to high at 1 hour and 15 minutes. Now that may be too much falling off the bones, but I like mine that way. Or if you have a large rack, then that may be the perfect timing. 1 hour is probably the minimum that you want to do. Once the timer goes off, let it sit for about 15 minutes so it can naturally release the air pressure. Be careful when opening up the vent and the lid. At this time, go ahead and turn your oven on to broil. I'm finishing this off and giving it that nice charred barbecue look in the oven versus the grill. You can line your pan with aluminum foil if you want. I just greased mine with oil so it wouldn't stick and it's easier to clean. I'm finishing this off with my own special barbecue sauce, and you can choose your own sauce of choice. My barbecue sauce isn't really a secret, so I'll just tell you. It's just a half cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of honey, and Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Brush that generously all over and carefully flip that over and do the same to the other side. Put it in the oven and let it cook for about 15 minutes. This looks amazing, and taking my knife, it slides right in, so that tells me this will be definitely falling off the bones. This whole process took me less than 2 hours, and there you have it. Enjoy!
Thank you for watching my video. Please like and comment and share this with your family and friends. To see when I upload new videos, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Until next time.